10 na COVID-19 na kasi chingba ta pajam yam na sumating pangbiyo na matong hajer.
COVID-19 na nare haiduna chingna balai regadi pijaribe helpline numbers ta call to view 1800-345-3818.
Khanghanjaba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na Hogzik Oiriba Khudong Chadba Kaya Sigi Yenglaga Miyamgi Damag Hospital Asigi Maternity Ward Pung Kunmari Hangduna Miyamgi Thawal Taujaragani Adumakpu Hospital Asigi Atopa Department Singdi Service Lepchugani Hospital Asida Laktunge Mamangda Makhada Pizariba contact number Asida Hanana appointment Lobiu Amadi Patient Ka Miyoi Amadagi Hena Loina Biraktanaba Khanghanjari Jariba Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rim Southgate Kombinate Kaitel, contact number 8258 967890.
Headlines: except 2 states, all others want COVID-19 lockdown to be lifted. Bahrain thanks Technopol administration for sealing 2 important crossings at border. Kim Jong-un alive and well, says Seoul. And over 54,000 COVID-19 deaths in hardest hit US, number of cases near 1 million. Hello, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira with the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday held a meeting with chief ministers of different states through video conference on the COVID-19 lockdown and their wish list if the restrictions are to be eased. And except Meghalaya and Himachal Pradesh, all other states were in favor of lifting the COVID-19 lockdown as per a media report. While all chief ministers were present at the meeting, the fourth between PM Modi and the CMs on the coronavirus pandemic since March 20, 9 of them got to speak due to time constraints. These were chief ministers of Meghalaya, Mizoram, Puducherry, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar, Gujarat and Haryana. Other chief ministers were asked to send their submissions in writing. The first to speak was Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, who said that the state will continue with lockdown beyond May 3rd with restrictions on interstate and inter-district movement. However, essential services and travel due to medical emergency will be allowed, he said. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan said on Sunday that there were 300 disease-free districts in the country and another 297 districts did not have any hotspots or small areas having more than 5 cases. He had said that only 127 districts in the country have COVID-19 red zones. And Biren Singh, the Chief Minister of Manipur, has thanked Deputy Commissioner, Superintendent of Police and other officials of Technopal District for their tireless works. A combined team of District Administration, Technopal and District Police led by M. Rajkumar, DC Technopal and Thokchom Vikramjit Singh, SP Technopal and other officers constructed fencing and shielded 2 important crossings at Indo-Myanmar border, one at near BP number 73, T Bongmol village and one at Yangaubung village located between border pillar number 73 and 72. Yangaubung is the last border village of Technopal towards Chandel, Biren said on his Facebook page. The team also distributed free rice under PMGK to the villages of the interior villages along the Indo-Myanmar border and also gave awareness about COVID-19. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un is alive and well, a top security advisor to the South's President Moon Jae-in said, downplaying rumors over Kim's health following his absence from a key anniversary, according to a media report. Moon's special advisor on national security, Moon Chung-in, in an interview with CNN on Sunday, said Kim Jong-un is alive and well. The advisor said that Kim had been staying in Wonsan, a resort town in the country's east, since April 13, adding, no suspicious movements have so far been detected. Kim has not made a public appearance since presiding over a Workers' Party Politburo meeting on April 11, and the following day, state media reported him inspecting fighter jets at an air defense unit. The United States recorded 1,330 more COVID-19 related deaths in the past 24 hours, according to figures reported late on Sunday by the Johns Hopkins University. The country now has an overall death toll of 54,841 with 9,64,937 confirmed infections. According to a tally by the Baltimore-based institution at 8:30 p.m. on Sunday, as per a media report. The United States is by far the hardest hit country in the global pandemic in terms of both confirmed infections and deaths. The 24-hour U.S. death toll was 2,494 late on Saturday and 1,258 on Friday evening, the lowest in nearly 3 weeks as the government struggles to quell the virus. We'll take a short break here. Keep watching. Welcome back. China yesterday claimed that there are no remaining cases at hospitals in Wuhan city in the country's Hubei province. A media report said the global coronavirus pandemic began in Wuhan in the month of December last year. The latest news is that by April 26, the number of new coronavirus patients in Wuhan was at 0, thanks to the joint efforts of Wuhan and medical staff from around the country. National Health Commission spokesman Mi Fang said at a briefing, the city had reported 46,452 cases, 56% of the national total. It saw 3,869 fatalities, or 84% of China's total. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, Tamil Sangam More President V. Sekhar distributed food items to 1,100 residents belonging to different ethnic groups in More. The relief materials were distributed by following the government laid down protocol. Moirang Kendra Progressive Front, Bishnupur, under the aegis of social worker Thongam Shanti Singh, distributed essential items to the Bishnupur-based journalist today. Thongam Shanti Singh, Chief Advisor of the Front Y. Modhu, and Secretary M. Uttam Kumar were present during the distribution. Apart from essential items, face masks made by self-help groups under MKPF, hand sanitizers and fuel were also provided by the journalists. President of all Bishnupur District Working Journalist Union Y. Somananda thanked MKPF and TH Santi for extending assistance to the media persons. In accordance with the state government's order to relax lockdown, shops and vegetable markets have been opening in Juribam district every day from 6 a.m. till 2 p.m. Jury police personnel are making efforts to ensure that the locals maintain social distancing in public places.
Aikoi kana amatana aikoi polo chatpa kibagi aikoi chatpa ngamnadre haiba khudong chada basi sarkar gi magi dagi masi khudong chaba ama pibiragadi aikoina Jiribam da hojik lockdown hangdo matungda ekoi kaithen asi ekoi pungtak tak tuna ayamba hangduna leiba ui maramdi ekoi gi pot joningai leitaba haitare hangbudi hangdoe joningai leitaba gi problem leiba maramna ekoina sigi khudongchadaba se sarkar maigedagi kitang puning tikhinjani.
Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, many Manipuris, particularly students, are now stranded in different parts of the country. To ease their suffering, former Moirang MLA Mairembam Prithivi Raj provided relief materials like rice, potatoes, milk, pulses, etc. to many Manipuri students stuck at Vijayanagar area in Delhi. Paralegal volunteers of 5 legal aid clinic centers at Lemapokpam, Kakiai, Kunfam, Kaino and Maibam under Nambol provided food items and soaps to integrated village organization run by Sembi Lema Girls Children Home today. The relief materials were handed over to the children's home founder as open. On the other hand, the 5 legal aid clinic centers also distributed relief materials to residents of Bungthe Kulen village in Kangpokpi district today. Thagdam Ratan Singh, a social worker based in Dibong of Jiribam today, distributed hand sanitizers to members of all Jiribam United Clubs Association, media persons, jury police personnel, Jiribam municipal staff and employees of UBI and Bandhan Bank. Talking to Tom TV, Ratan said that hand sanitizers have been distributed to encourage all individuals working in the front line amid the prevailing situation. The United Mitai Society of Assam, under its campaign Essential Food Items Distribution, carried out the 8th phase of relief material distribution for the poor and needy in northwest Delhi. With the aim to make face mask mandatory, the capital DFCSO Amit Bengia said that no one will be allowed to purchase fuel or LPG cylinders in the capital region without a mask. According to a media report, Bangla said that no consumer will be allowed to buy fuel from the petrol depots if they do not wear a mask. Reacting to the order, the president of Capital Complex Petroleum Depot Association, Arjun Kipaloram, said the directions have been passed to all the petrol pump owners and managers and have specifically asked them to ensure that there is no negligence during working hours, the report added. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson is expected to announce plans for easing a month-old coronavirus lockdown as early as this week after he returned to Downing Street yesterday. According to a media report, Boris Johnson is due to be back at work today after spending a week in hospital with COVID-19 and 2 weeks recovering at his country residence. Johnson has discussed with ministers the idea of modifying the lockdown rather than lifting it, to get across the message that restrictions will remain in place even if workplaces and schools start to reopen. The official number of deaths related to COVID-19 in hospitals across the United Kingdom rose to 20,732, up by 413 in 24 hours, while confirmed cases stood up at 152,840, up by 4,463. Now the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Graded exit strategy from lockdown likely to feature in Modi's crucial meet with chief ministers today. 84 people in 11 quarantine centers. 220-meter-long fencing work completed at Churachandpur. Self-help groups rise to the need for face mask. UCM 6 clarification from New Delhi. Cites 2001 assurance. The People's Chronicle. UCM raises poses over NSC and IM's designated camp. If the claim is true and the centre indeed approved the designated camp, there is every reason to call it as the greatest betrayal by Government of India to the people of Manipur. 2 top NSC and IM rebels held in Assam. India records COVID-19 surge. Case count nears 27,000. Chief Minister instructs officers for stepping up farm activities. Stranded state natives urged to establish contact. Strict vigil continues at border areas. MDA pushes for more police station at Technopal. Imphal Free Press. UCM alleges India government of permitting NSC and IM to open camps in state. The positive side of lockdown. Sweepers, traffic police share their experience on changes in environment. Kangpokpi OC wins hearts of locals with his Samaritan Act. Many violate curfew despite government instruction.
Now the top news headlines once again. Except 2 states, all others want COVID-19 lockdown to be lifted. Biren thanks Thengnopal administration for sealing 2 important crossings at border. Kim Jong-un alive and well, says Seoul. And over 54,000 COVID-19 deaths in hardest hit US, number of cases near 1 million. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.
COVID-19 and the